Welcome to Shelly's Talk. I'm on vacation. That's right. I'm in Virginia. I'm in the Shenandoah Valley, and you can see the beautiful mountains behind me. I need this break, and there's a lot of things I have to catch up on, and so while I'm trying to enjoy my vacation, I still have to think about Shelly's Cuisine and take a minute out to just tell you what I'm up to. So, family, we're here, and we're enjoying a relaxing vacation, but I'm always cooking. So yes, I'm doing a little bit of cooking, and I tested 2 new recipes. Shelly's coconut pie, which is going to be absolutely delicious. I tested it while I'm here. And Bing cherry supreme. It's a dessert, almost like a mousse. And I'm working on some others, but I'm on vacation. I'm not really supposed to be doing this while I'm on vacation, but because I love it, it's great. So Twisters, I haven't heard from you in a minute. I'd like you to leave comments as you watch the videos. And we've got some exciting things coming up. We have stuffed pork chops. Ah, yes. And we have bruschetta potato salad. That's going to be pretty good for your barbecues coming through. So, you know, I'm going to do some mountain biking. And I'm lazy. I don't like to walk. But I'm going to walk because I'm on vacation. I'm supposed to be taking an evening stroll, blah, blah, blah. So, you know, I am going to go to the pool, but I'm not going to get in the water. So that's exciting for me, I guess. And, you know, I'm not going to do the zip line because the last time I came here and did the zip line, there was no way down. So the zip line, when you get to the level when you come back down or where you leave, you have to jump off. And so I've been to this resort before. I didn't like that last time. Definitely won't be doing it this time because at least I know I'm not jumping off the ledge to get back down to the ground. So, but there's lots of things to do here, tubing and drive-in movies and stuff like that. And just to get a chance to relax and to meditate. And, you know, with my job, I'm very busy in the next month, and so I really need to unwind. And that's for you guys. We're coming through this pandemic. You should really take time to relax and enjoy. Hear the birds, smell the roses, and cook from Shelly's Cuisine.